Hi, I'm Sheldon Bruck, Social Media and Community Manager at Panaya. At the start of every year, the same scene plays out. ERP admins and IT teams staring at a fresh backlog, a release schedule set up front, but each release is filling up fast as business priorities shift, and a post-holiday surge of changes that are all somehow urgent. And the stakes are high. Finance is closing the books, auditors don't just stop caring because the holiday lights came down, and nobody wants to kick off Q1 by breaking something in production. You have to think ahead, not just will it get done, but can we prove it's safe? Teams that start the year strong all have one thing in common: focus. They start with the essential business processes like record to report, order to cash, procure to pay, and access provisioning, and then they build a lean regression suite around those. Start small. Build a New Year focused mini regression suite, 15 to 20 tests you can run in under an hour. Just make sure it's built on golden data, stable test users, and you do one clean dry run before sign off. From there, keep your governance simple. Confirm what changed, tie back to the change record or ticket, validate the business critical processes, and capture evidence as you go. That way, when someone asks, why is this safe, you have a clear trail instead of a scramble. And that's where Panaya comes in. Our change impact analysis shows what's changed and what's most likely to be impacted, and our codeless automation helps you run the right regression tests. We call that smart regression. Every test run logs audit-ready evidence of requirements, change tickets, and defect closure, so when auditors ask for proof, you already have it. So if you want to start the year calmer, more confident, and audit-ready, lean on risk-based testing, control your essentials, and make sure to bring Panaya into your workflow. What's the one test or flow you always make sure is in your regression suite? Let us know in the comments.